Last month, I went to a coffee shop in New York, and the barista looked at my order and said, "That combo is bussin'. Not gonna lie, it slaps." And I just stood there nodding like I understood. Bussin'? Slaps? Are we hitting something? Here's the truth. If you thought learning 10 slang words was enough, you were wrong. American slang is deep. And if you want to really understand what people are saying, in music, on TikTok, in actual conversations, you need more. So welcome to part 2. In my last video, we covered fire, no cap, salty, and 7 other essential slang words. And today, I'm giving you 10 more American slang words that you'll hear constantly. These aren't random. These are words that showed up in the top songs of 2024, trending TikToks, and shows everyone's watching. By the end of this video, you'll be even closer to understanding Americans the way they actually talk. Let's dive in. Real talk for a second. Some of you watched part 1 and thought, okay, cool, I know slang now. But here's the thing. Slang isn't a one-time lesson. It's constantly evolving. New words pop up, old words get new meanings, and regional differences exist. What people say in California might be different from what they say in New York or Texas. So if you want to keep up, if you want to understand rap lyrics, comedy specials, YouTube comments, you need to stay updated. This isn't about memorizing lists. It's about immersing yourself in the language as it changes. And honestly, that's what makes it exciting. All right, let's get into the words. First up, bussin'. Bussin' means really good, delicious, amazing. Usually used for food, but not always. How to use it. This pizza is bussin', means this pizza is incredibly delicious. That new song is bussin', means that song is really good. Her cooking is always bussin', means her food is always amazing. This word blew up on TikTok. You'll see people trying food and their first reaction is, "Yo, this is bussin'." But here's the vibe. It's enthusiastic, excited. You're not just saying something is good, you're saying it's so good you need to express it. Don't use it for everything. Save it for when something genuinely impresses you. Next, slaps. Wait, didn't we just say bussin'? Yeah, but slaps is different. Slaps means something is really good, especially music. It hits hard. It's impactful. How to use it. This song slaps means this song is amazing. I love it. That beat slaps hard means the music is really powerful. Her new album slaps means the whole album is great. You can technically use it for other things too, but it's most common for music. If bussin' is about food, slaps is about sound. Origin? It comes from the feeling that the music hits you, like a slap. It's energetic and powerful. So next time you hear a song you love, this slaps. Simple as that. Word 3, goat. Now obviously, a goat is an animal. But in slang, GOAT is an acronym. GOAT means greatest of all time. How to use it? Michael Jordan is the GOAT. Means he's the greatest basketball player ever. She's the GOAT of this game. Means she's the best player. That movie was the GOAT. Means that movie is one of the best ever made. You'll see this everywhere in sports, music, gaming, any competitive or creative field. People argue about who the GOAT is all the time. Who's the GOAT rapper? Who's the GOAT in soccer? Pro tip, when you call someone the GOAT, you're giving them the ultimate compliment. It's not just good, it's legendary status. Use it sparingly, or it loses meaning. Number 4, Rent-free. This one's clever. Rent-free means when someone or something is constantly on your mind, even though you don't want it to be. They're living in your head rent-free. How to use it. That embarrassing moment from 5 years ago, still living rent-free in my head, means I can't stop thinking about it. He's living rent-free in your head, means you're obsessed with him, even though he's not thinking about you. Why are you letting that comment live rent-free? Means stop overthinking it. This phrase is perfect for overthinking, grudges, or when someone won't leave your thoughts. And honestly, we all have stuff living rent-free in our heads. That cringe thing you said in 7th grade, rent-free. The key is recognizing it and evicting those thoughts. Halfway there. Word 5. Stan. Stan means an obsessive, passionate fan, someone who really loves something or someone. How to use it. I stan Taylor Swift means I'm a huge fan of her. They stan that show so hard means they're obsessed with it. She's a total stan means she's an intense, devoted fan. Origin. This word actually comes from an Eminem song called Stan, about an obsessed fan. The internet turned it into slang. You can also use it as a verb. I stan equals I support or love. But be careful. Sometimes stan has a slightly obsessive connotation. It's more intense than just I like this. It's I love this and will defend it forever. Gen Z stans everything. Artists, shows, even brands. Pause for a second. Notice how these words come from specific moments in culture? Bussin from TikTok, goat from sports, stan from a song. Slang isn't random. It's shaped by music, social media, memes, and real-life experiences. That's why staying curious matters. Pay attention to trends. Listen to what people are saying. All right, 5 more to go. Word 6. Based. This one confused me for a while. Based means being yourself unapologetically, not caring what others think, confident in your opinions, even if they're controversial. How to use it? That's such a based take. Means that's a bold, honest opinion. He's so based. Means he speaks his mind without worrying about judgment. Based means simple agreement or approval for something genuine. It's often used when someone says something others might disagree with, but they say it confidently anyway. Example, someone tweets, "Pineapple belongs on pizza," and someone replies, "Based." It's like saying, "I respect that you're standing by your opinion." Internet culture loves this word. Word 7. Drip. Drip means style, fashion, swag, having good taste in clothes or appearance. How to use it? Your outfit has serious drip means you look stylish. He's got the drip means he dresses really well. Check out my drip means look at my outfit or style. You can also say someone is dripping means looking good. Origin. It comes from the idea of being so stylish that confidence just drips off you. This word is huge in hip-hop culture and fashion communities. If someone compliments your drip, take it. They're saying you have style. And if you see someone looking fresh, tell them their drip is fire. See what I did there? Combining slang. Wait, didn't we cover this in part 1? Yes, no cap means no lie, but we didn't fully explain cap or capping. Cap/capping means lying, making something up, not being truthful. How to use it? You're capping means you're lying. Stop the cap means stop lying. That's cap means that's a lie. Example conversation. Friend says, I ran a marathon in 2 hours. You say, bro, you're capping. It's the opposite of no cap. So if someone's story sounds too good to be true, hit them with, that's cap. Short, effective, and everyone knows what you mean. Word 9, shook. Shook means shocked, surprised, emotionally affected by something, shaken up. How to use it? I'm shook means I'm shocked or surprised. That plot twist left me shook means I'm still processing how surprising that was. She was shook when she heard the news means she was stunned. This word captures that feeling when something catches you completely off guard. Good news, bad news, scary news, anything that makes you feel emotionally rattled. Fun fact, it comes from the phrase shaken up, but Gen Z shortened it to just shook. If you're ever surprised by something in English, just say, I'm shook. People will get it immediately. Last one, period. You might be thinking, isn't that just period? Yes, but the T makes it different. Period means end of discussion. That's final. No debate. I'm emphasizing my point. How to use it? She's the best. Period means she's the best, no argument. I'm not going. Period means I've made my decision. It's final. That's the truth. Period means that's how it is. Nothing more to say. It's like putting an exclamation point on your statement. Origin, African American Vernacular English, AAV. The T adds emphasis and attitude. When you say period, you're shutting down the conversation confidently. It's assertive, it's final, it's powerful. Use it when you're absolutely certain about something. All right, so now you know 10 more slang words. Between part 1 and part 2, that's 20 total. But here's the reality. Knowing the definitions isn't enough. 3 things to remember. 1, context is everything. The same word can mean different things depending on tone, situation, and who's saying it. Pay attention. 2, don't force it. If you're not comfortable with a word yet, don't use it. It's better to speak clearly than to sound awkward. 3, keep learning. Slang changes fast. What's popular today might be outdated next year. Stay curious, watch content, listen actively. And most importantly, have fun with it. Language is about connection. When you understand slang, you're not just learning words, you're understanding culture, humor, and real human expression. So, here's your challenge. Pick 2 slang words from this video. Use them in a real conversation or comment section today. Just 2. See how they feel. Notice if people react differently when you use them. If this video helped you understand American slang better, drop a like. Subscribe for part 3. Yes, there's more slang to learn. And comment below, what slang word do you want me to explain next? I'll pick the top requests for part 3. Learning English isn't just about passing tests. It's about understanding people. And slang, that's where real understanding begins. Let's keep leveling up together. See you in the next one. Stay based, your outfit is drip, and this video, bussin'. Period.